Hello everyone, welcome to Magic Stairway. Today we are going to do an underwater diver experiment. It's a very simple experiment, and for that these are the things we need. One, a scuba diving equipment, a snorkel mask, and then a submarine.
What? Mom, do we really need all that? You gotta be kidding me.
Yeah, actually we don't need all that. All we need is an empty plastic bottle, a pen cap, and a paper clip. These are the items that are available everywhere. So grab your supplies and then let's get started. Let's start. Step 1. Fill the bottle with water. It doesn't have to reach the top. Yeah. Now take the paper clip and the diver and clip them together. Now insert it in the pen cap. Now step 4, just add the diver into the bottle. Yeah. Now the pen cap just floats. Close the bottle. And then press. See what happens here. Just squeeze the bottle. Okay, do you want me to help? What is happening?
It's sinking. Wow! Wow! Can I try?
Yeah, and then when you release it, it will come back again. Then when you put pressure, it will go inside. Then when you take it, it will go back. Okay? This experiment involves changes in pressure, volume, density, and buoyancy. Let's see step by step what is happening. Okay. When you first put the pen cap, paper clip, and the diver, it floats. Why? Because the density is less and it floats. We should also notice that there is air inside the pen cap. So when you squeeze the bottle, the pressure increases, the water moves up into the pen cap, compressing the air inside the pen cap. So when the air is compressed, volume is significantly reduced. When the volume reduces, density is increased. Why? Because density is inversely proportional to the volume and the diver sinks. So when you release the bottle, the pressure is reduced and the air inside the pen cap comes back to normal original size. So in this experiment, we understand the following things. 1. When pressure increases, volume decreases and vice versa. This is called Boyle's law. Number 2. When the volume decreases, density increases. Now the third thing that we understand is when the density increases, buoyancy, the ability to float, decreases. So this experiment helps us understand how pressure, volume, density, buoyancy. How all these things are connected. So, did these little kids understand Boyle's law, buoyancy, density, etc.? Definitely not. At this age, all they understand is when the pressure is applied to the bottle, the diver sinks. When it is released, the diver comes. That is enough. As and when they go to higher grades, they will know how we can teach them more. I hope you guys enjoyed our video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.